Hey, prosperity seekers, seeing 888 everywhere. Get ready for a tsunami of abundance. 888 is like winning the cosmic lottery. It's the universe saying, you're about to level up in a big way. This isn't just about money, it's abundance in all forms. Love, health, opportunities, they're all flowing your way. But here's the key. Gratitude amplifies this energy. The more thankful you are, the more you'll receive. Your abundance mindset is your superpower now. Use it wisely. Like, comment, and subscribe for more prosperity tips.